Right, here I am. I'm on Bertie, the Royal Enfield Classic 500, and as you recall from my previous video, apart from the bags and stuff, Bertie had new shock absorbers from my mate Tom. Yeah, Tom Stockwell. Yeah, down in Australia. Yeah. Right. Hopefully, I've changed the battery, and you're now going to work. Otherwise, I've got another problem with the camera. But if you've missed it, what I've, and it hasn't saved any of it, lots of questions about the new shock absorbers on the Classic 500 Bertie. So I think I'll just start the video again. Yeah. So as I say, Bertie, Royal Enfield Classic 500, got the new shock absorbers, Hagon, from my mate Tom in Australia. Yeah, and you saw them in the previous video, but lots of people said, oh, what they're like, do you notice any difference? And so, well, yeah, I do. I find them, over what I've done so far, a lot better. Yeah, I would say that. But what I've decided to do, one of the worst roads that I travel on is this one, and so I'm coming down here to see what it's like. Yeah. And then I'll know for definite whether they're better. Of course, I've done nothing with the front suspension, but I can tell you from behind it feels a lot better. It soaks up those bumps much better. Yeah, I would that definitely. Oh, little dog, marvellous. Excellent. Oh, what we got here? Oh, we've got another dog. Excellent. Thank you kindly. So as you can see, I mean, the general potholes and everything on the roads that I go on are terrible. You all know that. You see them every day. But this road has been absolutely hammered by tractors and lorries. Yeah. It's mainly round here, and anybody local to here, like my mate Bill, he knows this road. Ah, marvellous dog, excellent. Oh, splendid dog. I know that dog. Anyway, yeah, this suspension, it's dealing so well with these bumps, and of course you won't know any different because it's only a video, but there's a lot of mud about, isn't there still? Yeah, but this is the road now, bumpty bumpty bump. You might get an idea from the bike jumping about a bit, but it's not good, I can tell you that. Even in a car, even in a 4x4, it's horrendous. But there you go, and I can tell you now, it's dealing with this really, really well. Yeah, I'm very impressed. Yeah. So that's answered my question. Hope it's answered your questions too. Just standard Hagon shocks, I don't know, same size, everything, just slide straight on. But look at this road. I don't know if you can see it on the shadows. It's like a washboard. It's worse than the washboard road over near the boatyard. But there you go. Yeah. So what I wanted to do as well, and I'll do this when I'm back in the garage. Lots of people said, What protectorants do you use? Well, I found it easier to show you because I just order all sorts of stuff and do it, and I don't do it that often, but yeah, that's what I shall do, and I shall go this way. So I'll catch you in a minute in my garage. Watch out for this horse poo. Yeah, marvellous. So what I use, rust shield. Yeah, bit of a hassle to put on. I'm not going to go through that. You have to check it out. There's plenty of videos on it. HCB1, the ultimate anti-corrosion barrier. Same stuff. Bit of a hassle to use. Motorcycle protectorant. Dead easy. Just spray it and keep spraying it. That's what I do. And then wipe it with cloths as well. Even when it's sprayed on, splash it about on the forks and everything. Wax oil. Even more tricky to use. But once it's on, the thing is, don't keep washing your bike. No, it sits there. Leave it. I'll leave it for quite a while before I clean the bike, and then you clean it and everything's fine underneath. You get little bits of rust here and there, but you do what you can for winter, don't you? So that's it. Yeah, Muc-off, Genelite. Yeah, if you have something different, let me know. Yeah, marvellous. Hope that's been of some use. And I'll catch you soon. Ta-ta.